Imagine this situation. Your manager walks in and says, give me a total sales by region, product, and performance right now. Okay. And no time for formulas, no time for manual work. This is where the most people struggle. But a data analyst solves this in seconds using APO tables. Okay. So suppose we have a data set that's using APO tables. Okay. I'll just move to the next spreadsheet over here. You can see this many entries I have added over here, right? So let me just add the header over here, insert. Let's say product ID. Okay. Go to the ID, full name, uh, location here, department. Once it is done, let's adjust this properly. Cool. This is a real transactional data. It's too detailed. If I ask you simple question, total sales by region, best performing product, category contribution, can you answer quickly? Okay. Not without summarizing, right? So what we have to do to add the pivot table, first select this entire data like this. Go into an insert and click on this option called pivot table option, right? The moment you create this, this is called a pivot table window. Okay, so where you want to pivot table to be placed, new worksheet existing, okay, or maybe add in the data model. Right now we are just creating a new worksheet over here and then adding a pivot table. Cool. This is the pivot table workspace, which we can see it over here. Now, what we need a locations to be added in a rows, right? And sales, whatever sales is there, or maybe the cost we will add. If in case it's not really making a sense over here, simply move this location at the top. You see the visualization, right? The chair is in Chennai, Delhi, and so on so location, right? If in case you want to see only totals, okay, let's go here, remove this, and then remove this as well. You can see the overall sum over here, right? Severity, if you want to see high, low, and medium, you can see the severity as well as per our own need. Helps in business decisions. Where should we invest more? Okay, and if in case you want to create any different, visualization, you can create that as well. If in case you want to do a largest to smallest, you can do a filterization here. Okay, largest to smallest. Simply you can do a filter over here and apply it basis the requirement. Pivot tables turn raw data into a decision insights. Okay. So now we can summarize data instantly. But what if your manager asks, give me a total sales for East region? Okay. And only for the specific electronics. That's the conditional analysis. And that's where the next function becomes powerful.